Are you looking for your dream home? The one that's 50 plus acres, fully timbered, a beautiful home, beautiful barn, beautiful shop, and it has an artesianal spring that fills a pond and is somehow bikeable to town? Is that what you're looking for? If so, you're going to love this property. Let's check it out. Okay, here we have the Camas Manor. This is truly a very special place. It was built in 1986. If you were to rebuild this place from the ground up, take this piece of land raw and develop it, there's no way you could do it for the asking price of this property. This is 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, 4,800 square feet, and the finishes, the level of quality in this home is very uncommon to see. This is a very special place. I'll let you enjoy the imagery. If you have any questions about it, text or call me anytime. I'm happy to arrange a showing. And if there's any other properties you want to see, you can reach out to me as well. Okay, enjoy this beautiful home. Okay, what'd you think of the Camas Manor? Gosh, this place is so special, and give it another month when the wisteria, that beautiful vine on the arbor, pops and everything comes alive on this place, and it'll just be heaven on earth. Let me know what you think of this place in the comments below, and of course, as always, make sure you text or call anytime you want to see a home. I can arrange this one for you. There's a few other things I could tell you about this home if you give me a call. Until next time, this has been Luke Callahan, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.